Good morning, traders. Welcome back. Forex Market Analytics, Wednesday morning. We're back with the dollar Canadian, guys. We were here just a couple of days ago, and I was describing a scenario where price is going to break that 3209, which was a big test level, and then we'll begin a big move towards the upper section, which mostly represented by this particular resistance level, 3524. Now, I have to admit, we got a little bit concerned yesterday when we've seen the third spike here failing to break, price failing to break 3209 for the third consecutive day, leaving that spike and starting to turn red. By the end of the day, it actually ended up on the negative side. But eventually, as you can see yesterday, an explosive move, a single day upside move completely crashed that resistance level. I think leaving no much room for doubt with regards to whether this is a genuine real breakout or not. Now I want to remind you, when we were looking at the big picture, the weekly chart, what we could clearly see is these three moves in this formation, where the third move, the third leg here, took the previous low and started to turn around. Now that we have the breakout of that 3209, which is the mid-low key level, we feel that it's going to be much easier for the dollar Canadian to push forward and basically complete the move. Now, a full completion of that move would be only where price will get to the higher section, where it's going to reach the higher section. The minimum level here is 35.24, which is our price target. At that point, we would be able to call that move a fourth, fully completed fourth leg. But up until that point, what we would like to do is just try and build up a decent sized position going forward. We should mention the 280 moving average, which is kind of hovering from up above, pretty close by the way, and could push against price, could create some downside pressure. However, it shouldn't be too hard for price eventually to break through and continue this nice upside momentum. But yeah, I mean, we're probably not going to throw in one more trade until price can prove to overcome the obstacle coming from that 230 moving average. Stop loss level is at 131, and we'll have to follow up on this one, come back and keep you posted. That's about that for the dollar Canadian. We'll see you in the next video.